You are going to love the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.